All right, happy Friday. We're going to start with rhyme recognition. Thumbs up if it rhymes, thumbs down as if it doesn't. Remember, I'll say it, you repeat after me, and then give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Toy joy. Toy joy rhyme. Dog out. Nope, they do not end the same. Lime dime. Lime dime rhyme. What made? Thumbs down. Small call. Small call rhyme. Nice way to end it. Okay, we're doing onset fluency. I'll say the word, you repeat the word, and then tell me another word that begins the same with the same sound. Okay? The first one's a vowel. We know these vowel ones are hard. Igloo. Maybe inch. Itch. I think those are the only ones I can think of. Maybe you thought of something else. Was. Was starts with wa, like wind, one, and whisper. Okay. Zap. Z, like zipper and zebra. Read. Read starts with like rabbit, run, and reading. Last one. It's another vowel one, so we know those are hard. Just do your best. Up. Under. Umbrella. You might have thought of a different one. Okay, we're going to blend our phonemes. You repeat after me. A, may. T, w, I, y. B, o, bow. N, e, knee. All right, now we're going to isolate our final sounds with a punch. You repeat after me. Mom. Wage. 6. Shave. Wood. All right, great job. Okay, we're segmenting phonemes. Get your choppers out. Repeat after me. Tie, I. Go, o. Pay, a. He, e. So, o. Okay, we're going to add a phoneme and you blend it together. When I put my hands together, you say the whole word together, and then I will tell you the word just to make sure you got it correctly. Don't wait for me to say it. I want you to say it first. We're starting with E. Add but to the beginning to make B. We have the part A. Add ul to the beginning to make lay. We have oo. Add to the beginning to make moo. We have o. Add t to the beginning to make toe. We have I. Add what to the beginning to make y. Good. Now I'm going to delete a phoneme. I'm deleting part of the word and taking it away. We have the word see without s. What's left? E. We have the word no without n. What's left? O. We have the word buy without b. What's left? I. We have the word tea without t. What's left? E. We have the word lay without ul. What's left? A. Very good. And our last part is substituting phonemes. That's where we have a sound and we change it with another sound. Okay, we have the word be, change b to s. And what's the word? See. We have the word see, change s to h. And what's the word? He. We have the word he, change h to m. And what's the word? Me. We have the word me, change m to w. And what's the word? We. We have the word we, change w to sh. And what's the word? She. Very good. And today you just get to pick your own nursery rhyme, whichever one you want to do that's your favorite. Okay, have a great weekend.